Imagine this, a sleek, futuristic ride promising to whisk you away to anywhere on Earth in the blink of an eye. Sounds incredible, right? Almost too good to be true? Well, let's talk about Spaceship, or rather, the potential downsides of relying on such a technology for our everyday travel needs. Now, before you start picturing me as some kind of anti-progress naysayer, hear me out. Innovation is fantastic, and the idea of rapid, global transport is undeniably alluring. But every coin has two sides, and with a concept as ambitious as Spaceship for mass transit, the potential cons are significant and worth exploring. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. Developing, manufacturing, and maintaining a fleet of spaceships capable of atmospheric and potentially even suborbital flight wouldn't come cheap. We're talking astronomical figures, pun intended. This immense financial burden would likely trickle down to the consumer, making spaceship travel accessible only to the ultra-wealthy. Imagine a future where only the elite can afford to traverse continents in minutes, further exacerbating existing inequalities. Would this be a step forward for humanity, or a step towards a more divided society? Then there's the environmental impact. Rocket launches, even relatively small ones, are known to release significant amounts of greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere. Scaling this up to accommodate daily global travel could have devastating consequences for our planet's climate. We're already grappling with the effects of climate change. Would we risk accelerating it for the sake of faster commutes? Sustainable and truly green propulsion systems would be crucial, but are we there yet, and can we guarantee their feasibility on such a massive scale? Safety is another major concern. Space travel, even in its most controlled forms, carries inherent risks. Mechanical failures, unforeseen atmospheric conditions, and the shear forces involved in rapid acceleration and deceleration present significant engineering and safety challenges. While rigorous testing and safety protocols would undoubtedly be in place, the potential for catastrophic accidents, however rare, would be a constant underlying anxiety for passengers. Are we prepared to accept this level of risk for routine travel? Consider also the infrastructure required. Existing airports and transportation hubs would be largely obsolete. We'd need entirely new launch and landing facilities, strategically placed across the globe, equipped with advanced technology and safety measures. The logistical nightmare of coordinating such a vast and complex network is staggering. Who would oversee this global operation? What international regulations would govern its use? The geopolitical implications alone are immense. Finally, let's think about the human element. While the allure of speed is strong, would the experience of point-to-point spaceship travel truly be enriching? Would it foster connection and understanding between cultures, or simply reduce travel to a sterile, utilitarian act? Would the speed and efficiency come at the cost of the journey itself, the serendipitous encounters and gradual acclimatization that often make travel so rewarding? Perhaps we'd lose something valuable in our rush to reach our destinations. These are just some of the potential downsides to consider when envisioning a future dominated by spaceship travel. While the concept is undeniably exciting, a sober and critical examination of its potential drawbacks is essential. We must weigh the benefits against the risks and ensure that technological progress truly serves the betterment of all humanity, without exacerbating inequalities or jeopardizing our planet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.